Hey YouTube, another banger coming your way. Alright, today we're going to be installing 2-inch spacers on this rig. I just went to the States, picked them up by myself. Now it's going to be front and rear 2 inches. Hopefully they fit. I believe they're the right ones. They're hub centric and they're black. And I'll show you them right now. Boom. So I got them in black. It's like $5 more. And it'll look way better than chrome back there. So they look good. They should fit. And let's get to installing them. Alright guys, we got her jacked up just a tad. Now we're gonna unbolt it, take it off, then bolt our spacer on. Super easy as well. Front, you might need someone to sit inside and hold the brakes, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do the front, so I'm by myself, so we'll see. 22 dingo. Bust these guys off. That's why you like power tools. I used to just have the torque bar. My parents did buy it for me. Okay, there's one wheel. I do want to get some bigger tires, but I just can't afford it right now, so tis what it is. Okay, moment of truth. Come on, baby. Oh, beauty, right on the hub. And these guys gotta come off. Over here, it's going on. Never had an issue with spacers, so hopefully these ones are good. So we'll throw some Loctite on each lug and we'll send it. Brendo, less thread locker next time. Thing's not gonna be able to move. This is good. Oh, are you actually serious? You gotta be trolling me right now. What? How is that possible? How am I supposed to tighten it then? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, you gotta be joking. So, it goes in backwards, so that means it fits. Now, I think it's a bit out of shape with this stuff, like there's a bump and stuff, so that's why it's not fitting, so I gotta figure out a way to get this guy in there, man. Like that's retarded. Okay guys, minor setback, but we got it figured out. We got a short guy, I tested it. It reaches perfect, like just the right amount. So, there we go. Now that's all there now. 140 foot-pounds. Okay, so double check. Never a bad idea. No, there should be. There we go. Okay, moment of truth again. Ooh, she pokes. It's not in place yet though. There we go. That's beauty. Just what I wanted. A little bit of poke. Okay, they're nice and snug. I will drop her down. One, two, and 5. Beautiful, just perfect. Okay, we'll move to the other side and keep on going. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. One of two things here. You're thinking that looks lit and amazing. And the other thing is you're thinking, okay, Brendan, your truck looks like a freaking rat rod because the fronts aren't sticking out. But look at that front, back. I love it. That's like perfect. Yes, I know spacers are not new wheels and I have stock wheels, but I don't mind the stock rims, honestly. They're 20s. They're not their normal Ram ones. They're like the better looking ones in my opinion. So just the 5-spoke. But like, it's good enough, and then I can get some beefier tread soon. I just can't afford the new wheels. Like, they're around like 11 to 1500 for nice ones, or I just go steely route, which I like too. But for now, like $100, you get this. Let's throw some mud. Stance looks better, better cornering, less body roll, right? It's a bunch of positives, a few negatives, but I've rocked spacers on my Civic, my Ranger, my Explorer. What else have I had? Probably rocks it. It just gives you that perfect fitment, or it gives you the truck aggressive looking fitment like this. Like, okay, so my phone was dying, so I had to plug it in. That's what I record with. And we did the fronts. I actually popped it in 4-wheel drive and it locks, so I could do it myself. Everything's torqued. I checked the steering, make sure it cleared everything. Yeah, make sure you guys do that. Check to make sure it clears on the front. But there we go. Just wide boy. This freaking hot boy. Back to my hot boy days, and I definitely miss it. We should be kicking up mud now. We should get better cornering just by a little bit. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it. More videos to come. Hit the subscribe button wherever it is. I don't know, it's somewhere there, but you gotta hit that button. We post bangers all the time. So thanks. We got 145 when this was made. Thank you for all the subs. Make sure you hit sub to join our freaking squad. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. See you later.